Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Locate the small rectangular release tab on the back of the Chevy Equinox Key fob and press it firmly with a small flathead screwdriver or a fingernail. While holding the tab depressed, pull the metal emergency blade straight out of the fob until it disengages. Set the blade aside on a safe surface. Leaving the blade out prevents strain on the case and gives you access to the seam where the two halves meet, so you can proceed to separate the housing without forcing. Find the small notch on the fob seam near where the emergency blade was removed and insert a thin flathead or plastic pry tool about 1 to 2 millimeters into the gap. Never force more than 3.5 millimeters deep. Twist the tool gently to begin separating the two halves, then move the tool incrementally around the perimeter, prying and releasing clips every 6 to 12 millimeters so stress spreads evenly. Once clips disengage, lift the top half away to expose the battery and circuit board. Carefully lift the circuit board by the edges to expose the CR2032 battery and note orientation. Replace it with a new CR2032, plus side up, without touching contacts with bare fingers. Set the board back into its cradle so buttons align. Press the two housing halves together until you hear uniform clicks around the perimeter, and then slide the emergency blade back into place until it locks. Finish by testing each.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.